Station. It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi Wonders. Achoo!
Thanks. Achoo! Huh, something is making me sneeze. I wonder, why do people sneeze? Yes, it's time to find the nearest nose and see what happens in there. I'm gonna need rocket boosters, a grabber arm, and spider legs.
Rocket booster, grabber arm, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Woo-hoo! Into a nose we go. It's like a cave in here. Hello?
Hello!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Who are you?
My name's Petunia, and I'm a piece of pollen. I may be small, but I can make big things happen.
Like a sneeze?
You got it! When I'm around people, I bother them. And I especially like bothering noses. Come on, dance with me. Oh, don't worry, it's a nose. It's not going to bite. Plus, it's fun.
So, this will make someone sneeze?
This is just the start, since a sniff is coming. Watch out.
That wasn't that bad! It looks like we're in a jungle.
This is all hair. It's here to keep pollen like me, and plus other things like dust particles out of your nose. Well, it won't work. Oh, it's fun to be irritating.
Will this cause a sneeze?
I hope so. Ooh, now a tissue's coming for us. Run! All right, they're really bothering this nose now. Tickle more.
Is the sneeze coming?
It is! Na 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 na!
Oh no! Boogers!
We did it!
Yes, and I have the answer to my question. Why do people sneeze? People sneeze when tiny things like pollen get inside their nose and irritate it. Upload answer, Debo.
Okay, see ya, Blippi!
Bye-bye, Petunia. Whoa! That was a gigantic truck. You're right, Debo. I think that was a monster truck. I wonder, what makes a monster truck special? Good idea! We can catch up with that monster truck and find out. I'm gonna need monster truck wheels.
Monster truck wheels, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Debo? Whoa, Debo! You have the monster truck wheels attachment? You're like a monster truck! All right, let's ride. Debo the monster truck is ready for adventure!
Crush! Crush!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. You really crushed that car!
Hi, Blippi. I'm Megan.
So Megan, we're here to find out what makes a monster truck special.
Cool. Well, I think the best way to answer your question is to show you what I do.
Great!
You see, I'm a monster truck with big, tall, monster tires. I'm 13 feet tall.
Wow!
Let's do this.
All right!
Huh? Crush!
We can't bounce as high as you, Megan! And oh boy, we're almost tipping over!
Well, I have heavy-duty suspension, which are special springs, so I can bounce way up and down and not tumble over. I use them when I race and have competitions.
Cool! Whoa!
Yeah! Welcome aboard, Blippi! Buckle up! It's time to dominate the obstacle course.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Wow! This is awesome! Woo! How can you turn and zigzag so fast?
I have something called four-wheel steering, so I can turn all four wheels at once, instead of just two wheels like a lot of regular trucks. Us monster trucks are built for short, high-powered bursts of speed. Whoa, yeah, whee! I nailed that!
Megan, that was amazing! And I have the answer to my question. What makes a monster truck special? Monster trucks are a special kind of truck with big tires, heavy-duty suspension, and four-wheel steering. Upload answer, Debo. Bye, Megan. It was so cool to ride with you.
Bye, Blippi! Keep on crushing.
Nice day for a quiet drive. Whoa! Attack of the bubbles! That's right, Debo. Bubbles pop when you touch them. I wonder, how do you make bubbles? Great idea! We'll follow the bubbles to find out. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. The bubbles are from the car wash. Let's give it a wash.
Hi! Oh, good boy. I'm Marvin. Marvin Bubbly.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. We're here to learn how to... Wait a second. Are you a pop star?
Oh. Sure am.
My mom loves you.
Thank you very much. You're far too kind. So, what are you here to learn? Ba-da-ba-da-dun.
Debo and I are here to learn how bubbles are made.
So glad you asked. The surfaces of bubbles are soft, which makes them pop easily. That reminds me, we need more bubbles. And I know just the fella to show you how. Can you guess? It's me, Marvin Bubbly. Come on.
Whoopsies.
The first step is to get water. Then we need some soap to mix with it. And shoo-ba-dee-doo-boop. Voila! You make bubbles.
And look how they float.
Us bubbles can float like that because we're just air that's trapped inside a thin layer of soapy water.
Whoa! So bubbles are made by blowing air into soap.
That's right! Which reminds me, let's make some more bubbles. And I know just the fella to show you how.
It's you.
It is me! Just to dip your hands in the water, get them sudsed up on the soap. Make a circle with your hands and blow.
Whoa! It's bigger than you. Check this out.
Catch me if you can. I've got new heights to reach.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Keep flying high, Marvin! And thanks for helping me get the answer to my question. How are bubbles made? They're made when air gets trapped inside a thin layer of soapy water. Upload answer, Devo. Bye-bye, Marvin.
Bye-bye, Blippi. Bye-bye, everyone.
Tabs? It's an adorable kitty cat. And look at those super long whiskers. I wonder, why do cats have whiskers? Great idea, Tabs. Let's follow that kitty cat and find out. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Do you see any kitties yet, Tabs? Whoa! What was that? Hey! It's me, Blippi. What's your name?
Kipley's the name, and treats are my game. Say, you aren't holding out on me, are you?
Holding out on what?
Treats. I can smell them like hot cakes in the morning. They're close. Hurry, follow me.
Wait for me!
Yeehaw! Woo! Flawless.
How do you land so perfectly?
My whiskers have special sensors that help keep me oriented, so I always land on my feet. Like this. Haha.
Do you think you can fit?
My whiskers help me determine if I can fit through the passage without getting stuck. See? I told you. Come on, Blippi.
It's so dark. How can you see anything?
When I can't see what's around me, my whiskers tell me when something's there. Ah, rats. No treats in here. But we must be close. Come on, y'all.
What else can your whiskers do?
Even the slightest breeze can tell me information about my environment and what direction a smell is coming from. My whiskers are telling me that the treats are... Woo! There! Woo! Jackpot! Would you look at that? Woo-hoo-hoo! I'm happier than a pig in mud.
What a great adventure, Kipley! We found the treats! And I got the answer to my question. Why do cats have whiskers? Cats' whiskers help them navigate their environment and help them keep oriented so they always land on their feet. Upload answer tabs. Bye-bye, Kipley.
Thanks, Blippi. It was great to have you as a sidekick on this adventure. Bye, y'all.
Whoa, look at that! It's amazing how big dinosaurs were. You're right, Debo. There were bigger dinosaurs than the T-Rex. I wonder, what was the biggest dinosaur? Good idea, Debo. We can go back in time and find the biggest dinosaur. I'm gonna need wings and extendo legs.
Wings, extendo legs confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Going back in time! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Okay, where is the biggest dinosaur? Whoa! The rock is moving! Oh! We aren't sitting on a rock. We're on a very big dinosaur's back. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
Hi, Blippi and Divo. I'm Angie, the Argentinosaurus.
Whoa! That is a big name for a big dino. I have to break it up to say it right. Argentinosaurus.
That's me. So, I'm on my way to meet a friend. Oh, do you want to come along?
Thanks for inviting us. Do you want to race? I bet you can run super fast.
Actually, I walk slowly. That's part of being so big. Plus, I need to snack to keep up my energy. I eat hundreds of pounds of plants every day.
You want to get a selfie of you and all of Angie? Good luck, Debo. Whoa, you're really long.
I'm about 130 feet long and 40 feet tall.
That's as long as 3 school buses and a little taller than a telephone pole.
Yummy. Up the hill we go. I'll be your bridge.
Whoa!
It tickles.
Yeah!
This is where I meet my friend. Hey, good shot, Debo. We're both in it. Oh, and look, so is my friend.
Sorry I'm late.
Hey, this is my good friend, Nina. Nina, this is Blippi and Debo. They're looking for the biggest dinosaur.
That's an easy one. You're the biggest dinosaur around, Angie.
Oh, I guess I am.
So cool! And I have the answer to my question. What was the biggest dinosaur? One of the biggest dinosaurs was the Argentinosaurus. It was 130 feet long and ate plants and leaves all day. Upload answer, Debo. Bye, Angie and Nina.
Bye, Blippi.
Bye, Blippi.
What's making that sound? Oh, it's a race car. It's going so fast. You're right. The Blippi-mobile could never go that fast. I wonder, why are race cars so much faster than regular cars? Good idea, Debo. We can go to the racetrack and find out. I'm gonna need race car tires.
Race car tires confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure.
Hi! Are you here to try out the racetrack?
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. We're actually here to find out why race cars are so much faster than regular cars.
Hi! I'm Ricardo. Let me show you on the track. Let's race!
All right.
Before we race, I have a really important job for you, Dino. I need you to be the captain of the pit stop. During the race, I'll pull in here so you can keep me in tip-top shape. Can you help out and do that job? Oh, nice try, Debo. But what you'll be doing is gassing up my tank and swapping out my tires. Okay, race time! Helmets on and buckle up!
Whoa! I'm going really fast. Whoa!
I'm not even going as fast as I can. Only 180 miles per hour now. Race cars are made out of a lighter material than regular cars. Plus, my shape helps me race easier into the wind. It's called aerodynamics.
You and my Blippi-mobile are definitely different shapes.
Pit stop, Captain. Do your thing.
You can do it, Debo. Ricardo, do you have special tires?
I do! My tires are wider and softer than regular car tires, so I can go even faster on this super hot track. Thanks, Debo.
Now you're even faster.
My powerful engine is 5 times stronger than a regular car's. I can reach my top speed of 220 miles per hour. See you at the finish line, Blippi!
Whoa! I'm blown away! Hey! But now I have the answer to my question. Why are race cars so much faster than regular cars? It's because race cars are aerodynamic and made out of a lighter material, have special tires to race on the hot track, and a super powerful race car engine! Upload answer, Debo. Bye-bye, Ricardo.
Bye, Blippi. Bye, Debo. Ciao.
Whoa! Look at all the blinking fireflies. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I love counting. Don't you, Debo? Hey, get back here, you silly. What you got there, Debo? I wonder, why do fireflies light up? I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Look at all those different flashing patterns. Maybe it's a counting game. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! Whoops.
Hey, it's me, Blippi. I was wondering, why do fireflies light up?
Hey, I'm Felicia. And if there's one thing you gotta know about us fireflies, it's that we are all about that blink.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
You again? Just try and catch me this time.
Debo!
I like your style, Debo.
I've never seen moves like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
When fireflies blink, it's because they like another firefly style. And with style like that, I just can't stop. Everybody, stop!
Oh, no!
Not today, Froggy Boy.
Felicia saves the day.
Works every time. Fireflies also light up when there is danger around.
Oh, like a warning signal to predators to stay away?
Yep. Nope, not my style. Not bad, but nah. Hey, Blippi, will you help me find a firefly with a blinking style like mine?
You mean like a counting game?
Yeah! Do you remember my flash pattern?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
That's it!
We found your match.
Now that's my style.
What a great adventure! And I got the answer to my question. Why do fireflies light up? Fireflies light up to warn predators to stay away and to help them find other fireflies with the same blinking style. Upload answer, Debo.
Thanks for your help, Blippi!
Bye, Felicia! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Look at all those adorable penguins! Look at them sliding on their bellies and waddling around. Wow! I think those penguins are flying. Wait a minute. Those aren't penguins. You're right, Debo. I don't see any penguins flying. I wonder, can penguins fly? I'm gonna need duck feet and flippers.
Duck feet, flippers, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure.
Gangway!
Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. We were wondering, can penguins fly?
Hi, Blippi. I'm Pepper. I really want to fly. I just need to find the elusive shimmer stripe iceberg.
The shimmer stripe iceberg?
Yeah, it's the biggest iceberg around. Once I find it, I think I'll finally be able to fly. Come on, let's go. I prefer tobogganing over waddling. It's much faster.
All right.
Here we go! Whee! Ice slide detour! I'm gonna catch some serious air! Watch this!
Yay!
Whoop!
Pepper?
Almost got it. We just need to find the shimmer stripe iceberg. Then I really should be able to fly.
Let's do it!
Yeah!
Whoa!
Not this one.
No shimmer stripes here. Whoa!
Woohoo!
Where could it be?
Whoa! It's the shimmer stripe iceberg!
Yeah!
Woohoo! Here we go! Whoop.
Whoa! Come on, Debo! Yeah!
All right. Are you ready to catch some serious air?
We were born ready!
Yeah! Oh, yeah!
Whoa!
Whoa! Hey, dudes! Uh-oh.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Did you see that? I guess it's not the same as flying, but we did catch some serious air.
Pepper, you're soaring!
I am? Whoop. You're right. I can really soar underwater. Whoa!
And I got the answer to my question. Penguins can't fly, but they're great swimmers. They also have flippers instead of wings, which help them swim through the water. Upload answer, Debo.
I'm gonna go catch some serious waves now. Bye, dudes!
Bye, Pepper! Cool! A fire truck! You're right, Tabs. It does have a really long ladder. I wonder, what's it like to be a fire truck? Great idea! We can catch up with that fire truck and find out.
Well, hi there. I'm Frankie the Fire Truck.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. Great to meet you, Frankie. We were wondering what it's like to be a fire truck.
It's a big job. You always have to be ready to help. And I am. They call me a first responder, which means I'm the first one to arrive at any emergency.
That's great, Frankie. Hey, will you show Tabs your really long ladder?
Sure. I also have a lot of other special equipment. Check it out. I have many ladders and hoses.
So cool! And also fire extinguishers and first aid kits?
I do! And hammers and cutters to open stuck doors.
Ooh! You also have nets?
Oh yeah, I have nets in case someone in trouble needs to jump to safety. I don't only put out fires, I also rescue people and animals. Sounds like a cat needs help. It's in a tree. Come on.
Whoa!
Blippi, you go up and get the kitten down.
I'm ready. Hey, kitty. Kitty, I'm here to help. I'll pick you up and carry you down. I couldn't get to her.
There's no giving up, Blippi. We must rescue her.
Good idea, Tabs. We can use the net. Yeah. Kitty, this way. We did it!
Frankie, we got a code 1171 on Main Street. There's a fire. Please hurry.
I'm on it. Time to go. My siren can get loud, but it helps people to worry, Blippi. I got this.
Yeah! That was amazing, Frankie! You put that fire out so quickly! The fire's flaring up again! I'm gonna need the water hose attachment.
Water hose confirmed.
Yeah! We did it! The fire is out! And I have the answer to my question. What's it like to be a fire truck? Fire trucks are first responders to fires and other emergencies. They carry lots of equipment like hoses, ladders, and nets. They also have a siren to alert people that they're coming. Upload answer tabs. Bye, Frankie. Thanks for letting us help out.
Bye, Blippi. Bye, Tabs. Stay safe.